Welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Breaking News. Whereas if you want to get the breaking news today, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Daily Breaking News and press bell icon to get notifications of my videos. Whereas Yuta Tobe joins Shuhirano Yuta Jinguji. The formation of number I has been criticized, cannot forgive, and whereas that formation of number I is trending right now, and everyone is searching about the Yuta Tube joins Shuhirano Yuta Jinguji, and I am giving you the fast updates about this one.